Hello students, you all are most welcome in today class, and as I told you in previous class yesterday that I will teach you mathematics in online class, okay, and we are familiar with each other. I am Shankar Swan Singh and I will teach you mathematics, and as you know that we will begin today the first chapter of your class 11th mathematics, that is sets, okay. uh, uh, Actually, sets is the most easy and most important chapter. Why most important? Because concept of sets are used widely in other branches of mathematics. uh, the concept of sets are used to define the concept of relations and functions, and the knowledge of sets are applied in study of geometry, sequences and probability, etc. German mathematician George Kunter, mm, George Kunter uh, just discovered the concept of sets while he was struggling with the problem of trigonometric sequences. uh, but now it has become a topic of great importance. But it is easy because once you understand the concept of sets, then in your examination you will get full marks. Now, what we have to study here in sets. So here is the chapter overview. First, definition of sets. Second, different ways of representation of sets. How a set is represented. Types of sets. There are many types of sets, and we will study each type of sets and also see the examples. What is subset? You have to learn the definition and the concept of subsets. Subsets of set of real numbers, and another one is interval as subsets of real number, and power set, universal set, Venn diagram and different operations on set, complement of set, uh, practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. In this chapter of sets, there are 7 exercises in your NCERT book. First of all, we will complete uh, each and every question of NCERT book of all these 7 exercises, and after that we will try to solve some of the problem of NCERT exemplar. Okay. Now, uh, suppose you are talking about to attend the marriage ceremony, that you have purchased 3 sets of party wear. This means that you have purchased either sherwani or pajama kurta or trouser coat, tie, pant, shirt, etc. But no one can guess that you have purchased pack of wheat flour or geometry box, because you are just saying that you have purchased 3 sets of party wear. This means that the different items of party wear are the element or the member of the collection. Okay. Now it will be cleared time to time when we will discuss some more problems. So according to definition of set, any well-defined collection of object, any well-defined collection of object is called a set. Well-defined means the item which we were talking about the example of 3 sets of party wear, like pant, shirt, trouser. So the items of the party wear are well defined, and if we collect all three set, all the items of the party wear that were purchased, then collectively they will be known as a set. By well-defined collection, we mean that given a set and an object, it must be possible to decide whether or not the object belongs to the set. As we were talking that a packet of wheat flour or geometry box or a sack of cement is not considered to be the element of that party wear. So it is clear that the well-defined object means once the object is before you, you can judge whether this object can be kept in that collection or not. The objects are called the members or the elements of the set. Objects. The elements are actually the objects of the sets or the collection, usually denoted by, and sets are usually denoted by capital letters and their members are denoted by small letters. This is convention, simply convention, that we use to denote the set by capital letter and the members by small letters. Now it is important to see that set is a synonyms with the word collection, aggregate, class, and is comprised of elements. The word element, object, member are synonyms. For example, now let us see what we have discussed here with the help of certain examples. The collection of one-digit prime numbers, prime natural number. The collection of all boys of Vanita Public School. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of all even integers. The collection of the most dangerous animals of the world. Now, which example is an example of set, or which statement is not an example of set? Let us see the first one. The collection of one-digit prime numbers. Suppose anyone give you the number 11, then you can judge. First of all, 11 is of two-digit numbers, so it cannot be a member or element of this particular collection. That tells about the prime natural number. 11 is prime number and natural number, but it is not one-digit number. So we cannot take 11 as a member of this collection. Now see the second statement. The collection of all the boys of Vanita Public School. It is very easy to understand that we can collect all the boys of Vanita Public School. This means that this is also an example of set, because if any boy comes before you, you can judge whether he is a student of Vanita Public School or not. If he is a student of Vanita Public School, then you can judge that he is an element or a member of the collection, which is here in the second statement. Now third one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. 10 most talented writers. These words are maybe controversial, because for any writer you may consider the most talented one. The other people may not consider that particular writer the most talented. So you cannot decide, because the talent is not any sort of quantity that you can measure. That is why the element of this collection is not well defined. That is why this collection is not a set. The collection of all even integers. All even integers, 2, 4, 6, -2, -8, -10, etc. or the collection of all even integers. So the element or the members of this collection are well defined. That is why this is set. Now the collection of the most dangerous animals of the world or of India. This is also the most dangerous, on which basis the dangerous cannot be measured. It is not a physical quantity. That is why we cannot measure the amount of dangerous. That is why the element or the member of this statement is not well defined. That is why this is also not an example of set. Okay? The most talented, this is also not a set.